And there's a rule that tells us that an inscribed angle subtended by a diameter of a circle, and in this case, this is the angle DAC, is a right angle. So DAC is equal to 90 degrees, it's a right angle. And if we know that DAC is a right angle, and we know that ADC is 55 degrees, and we know that ACD forms a triangle, then we can work out the value of this angle here, ACD. So that means that angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 55, and that is equal to 35 degrees. So we now know that angle ACD is 35 degrees, and we also know from a previous rule that CAD is equal to 90 degrees. So now all that's left is for us to find what angle ACD is equal to. So with angle ACD, what we need to notice here is that this shape ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. It's an isosceles trapezium because this side here, BC, and this other side here, AD, are equal in length. So AD is equal to BC. How do we know that AD and BC are equal? So what we need to notice to work out that AD and BC are equal is that this is a circle. Since this trapezium here is on a circle, we know that AD and BC are equal. The distance OB, if I drop a line from O to B, and this distance OC must be equal because they are both radiuses or radii of the circle. Similarly, AO and OD must also be equal, and they are also equal to OB and OC. So AO is equal to BO, which is equal to CO, which is equal to DO. And if AO and DO are equal, that means that BCO is also an isosceles triangle. So we've got two isosceles triangles which share four sides which are equal in length, which means that AD and BC are also equal in length. So since AD and BC are equal in length, we have an isosceles trapezium, as well as two isosceles triangles which can form by dropping lines from A to O and by dropping lines from B to O. So since we know that this is an isosceles trapezium, that also means that angle ADC, which we're told in the beginning is 55 degrees, must also be equal to angle BCD. So angle BCD is equal to angle ADC. And we're trying to find angle ACB. So we know that angle BCD is equal to 55 degrees. We also know that if we take away an angle that we do know, ACD, from angle BCD, we will get the angle that we're looking for, which is ACB. So that means that angle ACB is equal to 55 minus 35. So the answer to the question is 20 degrees.